Hi, good morning. This is Jay Hayden. We've been having discussions about a Sig and the decocker. I want to break this one down for you. This is a 239 and show you how it operates. First things first, safety check. We're good to go. Lock it back. Hit the lever. Pull the slide off. You'll see here this is a decocker. You can see that it releases the hammer, releases the trigger. You can drop the thing and still won't hit where the firing pin was. The only way that hammer's ever going to hit the firing pin is by holding the trigger back. You can see how far forward that moves. Once I release the trigger, you hear it lock in place and it won't move any further forward. So really you've got to pull the trigger, otherwise that decocker will never let that hammer move forward far enough. Hope that settles that question. As far as breaking this down, there's a pin here. Got to push this through. Well, let's take the rod and the barrel out first. There's a pin here. It has to be pushed through from one side. I like to use the tool with a little nubby on it or a little recess in there so that it doesn't mar the finish. You'll see that the pin only comes out one way. It's got knurls on one side. Got to put it back in the same direction. Pretty simple. Once that's done, we push down this piece here and catch the firing pin on its way out. You'll notice the firing pin is a true firing pin with a spring. It's got a couple of little grooves on there. That's where the pin caught it. This notch here is where this piece here keeps it retained. So in order to put this back together, you can do all your cleaning inside. That's it really, unless you want to pull your ejector out. Put the spring back in the keeper. Put it back up inside. Make sure your keeper's aligned properly. You want the alignment like that, so the notch is forward and to the inside. Put our firing spring and firing pin back together. Push this keeper down, and you got to push it down pretty hard. Put the firing pin back in with the notches up, all the way in. Release the keeper. Here, lock in place. Good to go. Get the pin started. Push the firing pin in a little more. Give a little final push there. Maybe a little love tap. Good to go. Barrel. Guide rod. Guide rod. Yeah, like I've ever done this before. Barrel, guide rod. Slide. Lock. Function check. Good to go. Thanks. Hope you learned something. Enjoy your day.